Do not buy these 2025 cars. Are you looking to buy a new car in 2024? Well, if so, I would strongly suggest you hold off as long as possible because 2025 is going to be an amazing year for new vehicle releases. And not only that, but there's some really ugly cars coming out that you should just avoid at all costs. So today, we go over 5 of those cars that are about to come out that you should not waste your money on. Let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma. Now, this is a sad one because Toyota has been teasing us with the new Tacoma for what feels like forever. But finally, it will be redesigned and released in 2025. But sadly, it will be riding on the same unibody frame as the new 2024 model. We were all hoping that Toyota would give us a body-on-frame truck with the new Tacoma, but instead, they're just giving us more of the same. So if you can wait, definitely hold out for the 2026 model because they could very well bring out a proper body-on-frame truck with a solid rear axle. No? The 2025 Jeep Grand Wagoner? Now, we love the Grand Wagoner. There's no denying that it is one of the best full-size SUVs on the market today. But unfortunately, it's built on the same platform as the Mercedes Jeep. And even though it drives really good and it's got a great look to it, you're just paying a lot of money for something that's not a true Jeep. True Jeep SUVs are built on the body-on-frame architecture, which means it's got a solid rear axle and a separate frame from the body of the vehicle. This allows for much better off-road capabilities than a unibody vehicle. So, unless they change the Grand Wagoner to be more of a true Jeep, we will not be buying it. No. 3. The 2025 Ford Explorer. Now, the Ford Explorer is another vehicle that we absolutely love. It's the perfect size SUV, and it's also built like a tank. But unfortunately, the 2025 model is going to be coming out with a hybrid engine. And you know how we feel about hybrids here. They're basically a band-aid on a bullet wound. You're trying to fix an internal combustion engine with an electric motor and a battery pack. Why not just go all in on electric or all in on gas? This just seems like a cop-out move by Ford to try to save some money and make the vehicle more appealing to buyers who are worried about fuel economy. But we're not worried about fuel economy. We want something that can tow our boats and haul our families and not break down on us. Number 4. The 2025 Chevy Silverado EV Now. This is one of the most anticipated electric vehicles coming out in 2025. But we're just not impressed with the Silverado EV. We think that it's overpriced and not really ready for prime time. The technology in electric vehicles is changing so rapidly, and by the time 2025 rolls around, there's going to be much better options on the market. Plus, we don't like the direction GM is taking their vehicles. They're becoming more and more feminized each year, and we're tired of it. We want trucks that are built for work, not looks. No! 5. The 2025 Nissan Frontier. Now, the Nissan Frontier is another vehicle that we're not impressed with. It's just too small to be considered a true pickup truck. Yes, it can tow and it can haul, but it's just not big enough. Plus, it's based on an old frame and design that's just not appealing to us. If you're looking for a small pickup truck, we would suggest getting a used Toyota Tacoma or a Honda Rid. You'll save a lot of money and get a better quality vehicle. So there you have it. 5 cars that you should not buy in 2025. Remember, you're not just wasting your money, you're also wasting your time and effort into owning a vehicle that just isn't worth it. Don't settle for less. Wait for something better. Now, we want to hear from you. What do you think of these cars? Would you ever buy them? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to reach 1 million subscribers by the end of the year, and we need your help to do it. So subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless.